Hi friends, today we're going to play a game. We're going to be detectives. We're going to be digit detectives and we're going to go on a special mission. What you will need is a piece of paper or a whiteboard, and you need to make a place value chart like this that says tens and ones. You'll either need a marker or a pen. All right, to get started, I am going to tell you a number. I'm going to give you some clues because you're the detective, right? So I'm going to give you some clues and I want you to see if you can write the number that I'm telling you. I want you to see if you can figure out the number that I'm telling you and use the clues that I give you to fill out your place value chart. So, the first one that I'm going to do is an example for you. So let's practice. The digit in the tens place is a 2. The digit in the tens place is a 2. The digit in the ones place is a 1. In the ones place, there is a 1. Did you write that down? Let's see if you got your answer right. Give you some time to write it down. Let's see if you got it right. This is what my number looks like. Is that what your number looks like? What is the value of 2 tens? Remember, 2 tens might look like our number sticks that we have in class. Here's 2 groups of 10. When we count by tens, 2 tens is 10, 20. So yeah, the value of 2 tens is 20, and the value of the ones place is a 1. So when we put those two numbers together, we have 21. Our number is 21. Okay, so let's try. I helped you with the first one. Let's see if you can do the next one on your own. The digit in the tens place is 1. The digit in the tens place is 1. The digit in the ones place is 2. The digit in the ones place is 2. Okay, I'm going to give you a second to write your answer down. Does your answer look like mine? What is that number? Well, we have 1 10, so we have 10 and 2 ones, right? So we have 10, 2 if we say that the 10 way. Or when we put these two numbers together, we know that 10 plus 2 makes 12. Yeah, that's the number 12. Good job. Did you write that number down? Let's try another one. I'm going to try to trick you this time, so you really have to be paying attention. Let's see. The digit in the tens place is 5. The digit in the tens place is 5. The digit in the ones place is 4. The digit in the ones place is 4. All right, are you ready to show your answer? I'm going to show mine. Let's see if you got it right. Does your answer look like this? 5 tens, 4 ones. Hey friends, how much is 5 tens? If we counted out 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You're right, 5 tens is 50. plus 4 ones. If we say that the 10 way, that is 5 tens 4. And we know that if we add 50 and 4 together, we get the number 54. I hope that your tens chart looks like mine. You're doing a great job. Let's do one more. Maybe we'll do 2 more. I want to see if you are as good of a detective as I think you are. Okay, that was kind of a hard one. Now I'm going to give you a really tricky one. You need to make sure that you're listening closely. Here I go. The digit in the ones place is 8. Where do you need to put that? Close listening. The digit in the ones place is 8. The digit in the tens place is 7. Were you listening? The digit in the tens place is 7. Okay, let's see if you're a true digit detective. I'm going to get ready to turn it around. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Does your number look like mine? Friends, how would we say this number, the tens way? How many tens do we have? 7 tens, 8. 7 tens, 8. So if we have 7 tens, that means we need to count by tens. Okay, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40. Your turn. I can't hear you. 50, 60, 70. Oh, right. 7 tens makes 70 plus, how many ones did we have? Oh, you're right. 8. So 70 plus 8, well, let's see, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Yes, 7 tens 8, or 70 plus 8 gives us the number 78. Is that the number you built? If it is, great job. Give yourself a high five or a pat on the back. Say, great job, friend. You did awesome. All right, digit detectives. That is the last case that you're going to solve for today, but I am going to post another digit clue tomorrow, and I want to see if you can answer it tomorrow. So be ready, and we'll see if you can beat me. We'll see if you can solve the mystery. Give yourself a high five. Great job.